Hey, shake my hand, 365. My name is Leroy. I'm the head trader of 365 Trading Academy, and I just need 5 minutes of your time to talk about Bitcoin. How many of you guys have heard the simple thing? If you want to invest in an asset, check its history, how well it's done in the last 10 years, 20 years. If you want to invest, make sure you're in it for the long term, 5 to 10 years, etc., right? These are a general ways for us to assess the profitability of an asset. Take, for example, the popular SP 500, right, whose biggest defender and proponent is Warren Buffett. He tells people, if you don't know what to do in the stock market, just put some money there and hold. Why? SP 500 historically, if you check its history, gives you about 8 to 10%, sometimes 12 per year on your investment. That's a good investment vehicle. I want us to judge Bitcoin with the exact same parameters, minus a whole lot of other things to keep this video short. Check this out. Bitcoin in 2010 was worth 10 cents. 10 cents. If you put $1,000 in 2010 for Bitcoin and bought one coin at 10 cents and held it to today, today's October 2021, you'll be a billionaire. Look, I spend a lot of my afternoons, right, with the Senior Traders Program show, but when I'm doing my one-on-one consultations, I meet all sorts of people. I meet people who've been holding jobs for 20 to 30 years and they're looking at their pension and they want to know, where do I think they should put money? Now, you don't dump your entire pension on crypto. That's not what this video is saying. I'm simply saying you can tell how rich or poor you're going to live as soon as your secured source of income comes to an end, i.e. retirement. Now, I want to talk to you about, this is the October range, number one, right? October, okay? October, 2021 October, 2020 October. So all of this is the month of October. You are more than welcome to go back to TradeView and double check the figures I'm about to give you. All of this is October. So in October 2010, specifically October 2010, Bitcoin was 10 cents. In October 2011, the same Bitcoin was now $2. So a year had passed, right? That's okay. Sorry about that. That should be here. $2. Let's do it like this. Literally $2, right? So this is a massive, crazy growth in return. If we check our altcoins, we get excited between the journey of whatever cents to the first dollar, and then the second dollar, and then $5, and then $10, then $100. Like Ethereum, the journey for Ethereum right now is towards 10,000 US dollars. Now, let's not get sidetracked. In 2012, Bitcoin was no longer $2. The year after 2011, Bitcoin in 2012 was now going for $12. All right? I think that's quite cool. In 2013, Bitcoin was $150. So it makes sense why anyone who bought this early held on, because of the compound gain per coin. Right, so that's 150. 2014, 350. 2015, just checking my notes on the other side of the camera. 2015, yeah, there we go, 350, 250. So here we had, what's going on with this asset? Price dropped by $100 in 2015. 2016, 650. I teach them this all the time. If you want an asset to go up to here, and it's currently here, there's a high chance that they need to collect orders down here. So price will go there before ever coming there. Look at the jump. This is the first time. Right? This is a big jump. This is double. This is 2x. There's also quite a big jump. Right? But now we're really into those 100 regions, like 650. 2017, price is now 5,000. Orders. Collect orders from the bottom. Buy low. And I'm talking about Bitcoin whales. I'm not talking about you and me with small accounts and we're buying small things. I'm talking about serious cash. People who became billionaires in the process of Bitcoin wealth, right? The guy who created Bitcoin right now is now the 20th or is in the top 20 wealthiest people in the world. We don't really know his identity, but we can see his public wallet, right? So we know exactly how much. 2018, this is where it gets interesting. There was a great crash somewhere here. A lot of people call that the crypto crash. I don't know if you guys remember the 2017 crash where Bitcoin went all the way up and then came down. So it went all the way to like 20,000 and then dropped. The years here, don't forget, I'm not looking for the yearly highs. I'm just thinking in terms of the fact that we're in the month of October. So after the crash, or during the crash, or after the crash in October 2017, we're looking at 5,000 bucks per coin. In 2018, recovery time, a year later after the crash, Bitcoin had moved up to 6.5. So if this is and I want you to start seeing this. Had you been freaked out about this crash, because remember, at some point in time in 2017, Bitcoin was $20,000. But look at it from a year to year, October to October. This would have been a beautiful place to buy low. If you're one of those people who understood the trajectory of the asset, right, that crash would have allowed you to buy in low. But anyways, we are past that now. 2019, 8,500. 2020, my favorite year, which was last year, because I went crazy. I told people that Bitcoin was going to come down here, right, because of COVID. It didn't come down because of COVID. It started to go up, right, during the COVID recovery. It was one of the risky assets that were chosen to dump money in. So when COVID started in March, if you go to your charts, March of 2020, all the way to kind of like October, right, price was dropping, and then in October, markets found a valid, what we call a demand, and that demand was at 3,000 bucks. And in October of 2021, bearing in mind we've done an all-time high, we've done over 66,000, but I'm just going to use the round number. We've already seen 60,000 US dollars. This is the 10-year trajectory, October to October, of Bitcoin from 2010 to 2021. Judge it this way. Look at this asset: 10 cents, $2, $12, $1.50, $3.50, $2.50, $6.50, 5,000, 6.5, 8.5, 3,000, 60,000. This is the asset you're dealing with. 365. Shake my hand.